Good morning to Miss Marino. What's on your mind?
I feel that my lessons aren't effective. The students look bored.
Have you tried adding more student-centered activities?
I'm not sure what the looks like in practice.
For example, you make a group class, role play, or even short discussion. Let the student talk much than you.
That makes sense. I tend to talk too much during class.
Oh, it's a common habit. You get better as you observe and reflect.
Do you want to observe my class sometimes?
Not at all. I'd be happy to. We can reflect together afterward.
Thanks. Miss Ortua, I want to improve, but I don't want to feel like I'm failing.
You're not failing, Miss Marino. You're learning, and that's exactly what good teachers do.
Thank you, Miss Ortua. That really means a lot to me.
Anytime, Miss Marino, remember teaching is a journey, and you are not walking it alone.
I'm really grateful to have a mentor like you, Miss Ortua.
And I'm proud to see you growing. Let's meet again after your next class and talk more, okay?
Yes, I love that. It's a good sound. See you soon.